Okay. First taruh ini apa? Bawang putih. Serai. Daun kari. Okay. Then after that you put in the chopped onion. Chopped onion. Chili. Green chili. It has to be green chili, not red chili. Okay. Then after that you put in the, after this you stir fry already, you put in this one, the ground onion. This is grounded onion, garlic and ginger. You put 2 spoonfuls like this. Okay, 2 spoonfuls. Then stir fry again until the onion all very well cooked. And then you put in the up the fire. Just now lower the fire kan, because you want the thing to keep popping up the fire. So now up the fire, you put in the put in the eggplant. Then put in the eggplant. Let the eggplant cook well first until it's soft. And then you can put the curry powder. Not now. If you put the curry powder again, the eggplant will not soften, will not fry, because it need oil. So if you put the curry powder now, then the oil doesn't fry the eggplant, because the oil will go all to the powder. Okay. Then let it simmer until they're very soften. Then you put in the curry powder. Okay, the curry powder has to be fish curry powder. So you curry powder. Use fish curry powder. Okay, you use at least 1.5 ladle. Using the same this as a guide. Okay, 1.5 ladle. Turn color changes. For the eggplant, the color changes already, right? The minute you see the color changes, that's okay already. Then you quickly put in the curry powder. Put in the curry powder. Like just now I said, based on the ladle, use the ladle as your guide. So it's 1 whole and half. Okay, 1.5. Okay. Then when you stir fry the curry powder, you must put a little bit of water, because it's a little bit of water so that it blend together with the oil. Tutup. You see? Then little bit by bit so that the curry powder cooks. Okay. After this, you have to put the turmeric water. Asam water. Asam? What is it called, asam?
Asam.
Asam called asam. Asam called what?
This is sour plum.
No. Asam is what? Turmeric lah. Yeah.
I don't know.
So you take the asam like this much. Like this much. Okay. Then water. And then you slowly pour in the water. Okay. Okay. Slowly pour in the water. See? Then it blends slowly. Then after that you finish up that one bowl, and then you add another bowl depending on how much soup you want. Okay. But now I am using only one bowl first, because I got another to add on, kan? Okay, like this. Okay. Then after that you put in for me I put in ikan bilis cube, because no ikan bilis cube not nice. Ikan bilis cube you put half ikan bilis cube, and then you put in the sugar about 1 spoon only. No, not so much. If not, it will be too sweet. The reason we put sugar is this spoon is very big, so I only use actually 1 spoon, but this spoon is very huge, so 1 spoon is enough. And then the salt, because you have to blend the salt with the asam, so 3 at least, okay, 3 at least. And then the ajinomoto 2 only, okay, full lah. Okay. Then you put in the fish, all the fish. Put in the fish. Okay, now you see, if the water is too little, because the fish need to swim. If it's too little, it won't cook. So you have to make sure that the fish can swim. Okay, like this. Look, so keep turning the fish. Because once this side cook, then they turn around so the other side can cook. Jadi, but you don't need to use a lot of water lah. If you don't need to have a lot of sauce, okay, or gravy, okay. And put in the tomato. For me, I put in the mango. We've got mango, the unripe one lagi better, okay, because it's nice. If you don't like, it's okay, don't need to put. Okay, then after that, don't need to taste. I cannot taste because it's fasting one. Okay, look. Okay, that's it for now. Finish. Okay.